Hello there everybody, Sam Strains here, welcome back to the Railway, and I hope you're all as excited as I am. Obviously it's Christmas Eve tonight, which means it is Christmas Day tomorrow. Can't wait for Christmas. I hope everything with you guys is going okay. I hope all the preparations for Christmas are going okay. And speaking of preparations for Christmas, that's basically what's happening now on the Railway. I'm expecting the last few trains before Christmas Day to arrive any minute now, and I thought today I would bring you along for the journey and show you the trains that are coming in. Now we're going to have to be quite quick because any moment now, in fact I can just about hear it, the final passenger train of the year should be coming into Toy Town. So let's go and watch it, let's go and see what happens, and I hope you enjoy it today. So here comes the final passenger train now. It is of course pulled by Lord Westwood, the original Christmas train, and she has got the last few passengers on board to take them home for Christmas, I suppose. All going home to their families, ready for Christmas Day tomorrow. So here she comes then, slowing down into Toy Town Station. Ooh, bit further, there we go. Not the smoothest performance ever from her, but she got the passengers there safely, and that's the main thing. So she's unloading now, and shortly after she's unloaded, any minute she'll be moving off into the night. She'll go to storage, something like that, maybe a loco party for her Christmas Day. And shortly after that, we're due to have the next Christmas goods train come into Toy Town to drop off some final presents. So as Lord Westwood takes the empty coaches now back to the depot, let's look out and see if we can spot this goods train coming, shall we? There you go, I think this must be it now. So I'm not absolutely sure where she's delivering these presents to. She's gone past the Toy Town station, so she's obviously not delivering them there. Well, she's not stopped at the signal box, so she's not delivering them there. Well, can't be for the country station. And it can't be for the church. She's not stopped at either of those. Well, she's obviously not delivering them to the trackside hut. And on and on and on she goes. I've got no idea now where she's going to stop. She's passed all the places I know. Oh no, she seems to have stopped near the pub. Ah, so this is where she's delivering them, to the houses near the pub, Toy Town South, as it's known. There we go. Well, that's safely into the sidings then, I think relatively safely. We'll leave that little engine there. I think that's where she's staying for Christmas, right next door to a pub, so you know she'll be all right. And next up, we've got one of my very favourite trains coming in. I think you're going to like this one. So this is known as the chocolate train, and this is making the final delivery on the all-important Christmas chocolates. Now this train has come, it's been brilliant, it's come about every week. Now I hadn't actually booked it in for every week obviously, but every week she came nonetheless, and to be honest I didn't bother cancelling it. Nobody had ordered all of the chocolates, but I took care of them. Now I think if we ask very, very nicely, the driver might be able to stop to show us what he's got on board. I think I'd like to see, wouldn't you? Driver, I know you've got a busy evening, I know you've got a schedule to keep, but would you mind just stopping so I can show these people what you've got on board? Right, oh this looks good. So he's got Millionaire Shortbread, I don't know who's ordered that, but that looks really good, that does. There's a mega box here, let's have a quick lean inside and see what we can see. Oh, it looks like some twirls in there, I do like the look of that. Oh. Then we've got some old favourites it looks like, so what we've got, Fudge, Whisper, Dairy Milk. Then of course the ever popular chocolate digestives, got to have some of those. We've got some eclairs, some cream egg bites, some strawberry truffle thingies, and of course a brake van. Alright, thank you very much driver, you can go on now. Wow, this engine is really struggling with all these chocolates and things. Should we give her a little bit of a push? I think everyone will be devastated if they don't get the Christmas chocolates. I think we've just got too many, we're a bit too greedy this year I reckon. Now there we go. So there we go, that is the chocolate train, and finally then, there's only one more train we can possibly expect on Christmas Eve, and it should be along any second. Oh, and here it comes now. It is, of course, Gregsby and Bullman hauling the all-important Christmas train. Hopefully there won't be any falling out while they haul this big train all the way to the North Pole. But kids, when you wake up tomorrow and see all those presents, you'll know that they got there safely. Well, bye then you two. Give my love to the North Pole and I'll see you all next year, Bullman. We're starting work just a few days after Christmas, so don't have too long away. And there we go, that's the last train gone before Christmas. It's a bit sad really, it's all looking a little bit empty now, isn't it? But there'll always be lots more trains coming before very long. So there you have it then, folks. Those were the last few trains before Christmas. And now what's going to happen is all my railway workers are going home and I'm going to shut the loft up for a few days and there won't be any more trains for quite some time now until after Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed seeing those last few trains. Have a fantastic Christmas. I hope you get everything you want and more importantly that you spend some quality time with the family. Have a really good Christmas. I seriously mean that and I will talk to you all very, very soon. So Merry Christmas from me and I will see you all, well, not next year, but certainly after Christmas. All right, take care, folks.